The Holy Quran, chapter 102, Al-Tukathur, the greed. I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. The craving for ever greater worldly gains and to excel others in that regard keeps you occupied until you reach your graves. Nay, you will soon come to know. Nay, again you shall soon come to know. Nay, would that you knew with certainty of knowledge what your attitude will lead to, you would never have acted the way you do. You will surely end up seeing hell. Again, you shall most certainly end up seeing it with absolute certainty. Then on that day you will be called to account for all the bounties you enjoyed.